Hello guys, in this short presentation, we shall see how to improve our concentration. If improvement in daily life is necessary, then concentration is one of the factors to be considered. So let's see how can this be achieved. Keep your brain active. But how? Few games would help you to get better concentration, like word searches, crossword puzzles, memory games, and so on. Make sure you will not spend too much time playing. The benefit will all be yours if you make up your mind for 15 minutes a day. Regular exercises. Exercising helps to keep your body functionally good. Exercises increases your energy levels. This indirectly helps your brain and memory to stay focused. We humans tend to act, react, and throw away ideas, but for that one must be a good listener. Eye contact and attention is important when what is being communicated. Don't interrupt to give away your advices. Try to analyze and understand. Listening well allows you to talk well, so have patience to take your turn. You better know what you're good at. Bring out the best in you. Yes, make a hobby. The hobby is an individual like or a choice. Do what you like. Writing, cooking, playing, listening to music, gardening, drawing, and many more. Indulging in what you like is the best thing which helps to keep you alive. Never let your day wasted. Make lists of what you could do to keep yourself busy. Being occupied, never let your positives go out of you. Try to do the productive work, which in turn helps development. Learn from the good. Try more of what you are willing to do. If this presentation has helped you, please like and leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe.